Hi guys, today we will see how we can reset the website. Right, this is our current website, and if you will see, the current website is looking something like this. Right, so we want to reset this website, and we want a default page. We want to remove all the themes, all the plugins, everything. So for that we need to install a plugin here. Let me go to add new plugin, and then we will type the reset and press the enter. You can see WP reset most advanced WordPress reset tool. So it's already installed and it's already activated. So when you will go to the tool, here you will find a reset. Right, you have to click here, and you have to click at the outside part of that particular dialog box, and here it will ask you this reactivate current theme, block C child. Don't do that, just keep it as default. Don't reactivate anything, and just type here reset and reset site, reset WordPress. It will ask you again. If you want, you can create a screenshot as well here as a backup. Now your site is completely reset. Okay, if you want to check it, you can go to the site and you can find it's looking something like this rather than like this. Okay, so in this way you can reset your WordPress website. If you want to create WordPress website, or if you are looking for any kind of digital marketing activities, you can connect with me in the given number below. Thank you.